So today I just want to do a short little video and show you guys about these new hair products that I got from MannaMood. My hair, I have experienced hair loss, not exactly sure like the medical reasons why, but I could pretty much guess like from tight hairstyles and like the lace glue, like improper care with it and stuff, it eats your hair up. Like I feel like at this point in 2022, a lot of women know that. So I'm very glad to have gotten these products from MannaMood. I'm gonna show you guys what the box looks like. It is so cute. It is so cute. Just the presentation itself, it's given. It's so cute. But basically the hair products are a Chia Pet hair growth serum as well as the edge control, and also came with like some cute scrunchies so I can be a little tempered girl with my scrunchies. Even just looking on their website, you can tell that one of their main things is making sure that hair care, especially for us minority and Black women, is not a full-time job. Doesn't feel like a full-time job, but feels like something that's actually worth being prideful in and being happy about. And even though like right now I have a sew-in, I'm trying to step away from like lace and stuff and try to experiment with more traditional protective hairstyles. I'm probably growing more to doing my natural hair as well, and I feel like these products would help make me more interested in doing that again. But I feel like it's very user-friendly for whatever hairstyles that you are into wearing, especially for the edge control. So first I'm going to show you guys is the main event, the Chia Growth Edge Pomade. So this is supposed to be a growth edge control serum, and let me just show you guys what the texture looks like when you open it. Oh, it smells good. It smells like jelly, kind of. It smells really good. This is what it looks like, and it's kind of looks like this on the finger. I'm going to show you guys how to apply it to your edges. I just did a little basic swoop. It works for me. This is the Chia Pet growth serum. So it's just you put it on your scalp. I can read it for you guys. Part your hair into 1 out of 4 sections and apply directly to your entire scalp. Massage your scalp for 3 to 4 minutes. Leave the serum in. Wash hair and repeat once a week. Use daily for the best results, and it's supposed to grow your hair out. So I am going to try this, and then I want to like make a follow-up video so you guys can see the results and how it looks like. Last but not least, we have the edge control brush. I kind of like how different this is, because usually you like the ones that you get at the hair store, they don't look like this. This is such a cute pattern. It's like it's triangular. It's more wider at the bottom. It's really cute. And I like it can bend. It's like more rubber instead of like that hard like plastic that you get at the hair store. So I really love that. And then the massager, I'm pretty sure. And then it has their little symbol on it for MannaMood. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the camera. But yeah, it's so cute. This is so cute. Next time you shampoo your hair, just use it to scrub it in there. And last but not least, the little scrunchies. These are so cute, and I could definitely start using these tonight when I go to the gym to wrap my hair up. And it has, again, the little MannaMood symbols on them, which is so super duper cute. I'm going to show you guys how I use the edge control. So since I am blind, legally, I don't put my edge control on with glasses. I use a mirror, and for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys the exact same way I'll be doing it right now. But again, here's the edge control, and then I'm just gonna open it. Ooh, look how cute this formula looks. And then I'm gonna dip my brush inside, the soft bristle side. So I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna use my mirror because I really can't see, and I'm not gonna put my head in the camera to try to see. Like, that's just not gonna be cute. And then see, this is what I mean. The soft bristle side. Even though I can't see you guys that well right now, this is kind of like what it looks like. I'm gonna give it like 20 minutes to see like if it still stays in place, because honestly for me, most edge controls give it like 10 minutes tops and it doesn't stay on. So I'm gonna see like 15 minutes, see if it still stays. I'm gonna do the other side right now and like give it 15-20 minutes and see if it still stays on. And if it does, well, at least for me, baby, I'm sold. That's literally all I need to know, that it stays on longer than other ones, you know? So yeah. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and my edges still look pretty much like they're still laid. They're still there. Like, by now I would have sweated this off, even 15 minutes in. For like some other edge control, 15 minutes in, my hair would be back to no edge control look. And it just proves like it works really well. And then I'm gonna read some of the products for the hair growth serum. So this is what the MannaMood growth serum looks like when you get it out the box. And basically you're just supposed to drop a couple of it into your scalp, 3 to 4 drops every night, and you're supposed to massage it into your scalp with this little bad boy right here, what I showed you guys earlier that has the MannaMood. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and then I'm gonna leave all the products linked below. And please make sure to go check out MannaMood and see, especially if you're in the market for some edge control, baby, they got you. Cause look, it's still staying on.